Welcome. In front of me I have Fiat Tipo Car Key, and today I'll show you how you can open it and remove your battery. We will need a very thin object like this tool, and also something a little bit wider like coin. Right now we have to start by pressing this button, and right now we are able to go inside. So we have to put something thin right here and take off this part. Simply leave that part. So let's make it. There it is. Let's go for the left side right now. Okay, as you can see, it's finally done. So we can move for this part for the second. As you can see right now, both parts are separate, so we can easily remove the second part. So start from the bottom. Okay, and as you can see, when you push it a little bit harder, but still gently, it will jump out. So right now you have to focus on that arrow. So when you are going to put it back, this arrow must be located on that knock, as you can see. So we have to go like that. Right now we have to grab our coin and twist that circle like that. Next we can remove it, very easy. And as you can see right now, to remove the battery we have to just put it here and then take it off, very easy, and put the new battery. So that's all. Next we have to put this one here, and as I said before, we have to focus on that arrow. So when you twist that like that, it must be on the lock right here. The next thing is to put back this part, so we have to make it like that. And then just squeeze. And as you can see, it's finally finished. So when we can close our key, and right now we are able to use it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.